This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly refill an empty bobbin with your Sailrite Ultrafeed Sewing Machine. The process is the same for the LSZ and the LS1. There are two ways to gain access to the bobbin. Open the slide plate or tilt the machine back. The bobbin case has a lever. Lift the spring-loaded lever and pull the bobbin case out. This removes the bobbin in its bobbin case. Release the lever and the bobbin comes out. Take the empty bobbin and push it onto the post that is beside the balance wheel on top of the machine. To disengage the sewing machine, pull the posi pin and store it in the keeper at the center of the balance wheel. Thread comes off the top of the cone to the thread stand arm. Then pass it through the thread post. Use whichever hole provides the most direct path to the bobbin tensioner. Wrap around the bobbin tensioner as shown. Now pass the end of the thread under the thread that is fed from the cone and to the bobbin. Run that in under and up through a hole in the top of the bobbin. Push the bobbin on the spindle up against the balance wheel. Hold on to the tail of the thread and power the machine. Stop after several rotations and cut the thread tail off flush with the bobbin's side. Now continue winding until the bobbin is full. The bobbin will stop rotating when it's full. Because the posi pin has been removed from the balance wheel and placed in the keeper, the whole machine is disengaged. The only thing that spins is the balance wheel and the bobbin. When it's full, cut the thread. Then remove the bobbin from the winder post by pushing the post to the left and pulling the bobbin off. You'll be inserting a bobbin into the bobbin case with the thread coming off the left side in a clockwise rotation. Hold the tail of the thread while pushing the bobbin into the bobbin case. Pull the thread through the slit in the edge of the bobbin case. Continue pulling the thread until it's under the tension plate. Now your bobbin is installed appropriately in the bobbin case, and you should pull out enough thread so that you have a tail of about 6 inches in length. To install, pull and hold the spring-loaded lever outward to keep the bobbin from falling out, and push the case into the axle of the gib hook. The finger on the bobbin case should point upward. Here's a little trick. When winding multiple bobbins for storage, you can pull on the end of the thread to bury it along the outside edge of the bobbin. This keeps it from unwinding while it's stored for future use. Then when it's time to use it, simply pull the thread away and insert it in your bobbin case and ensure it comes out freely. We hope you enjoy your new Sailrite Ultrafeed Sewing Machine.